Hello and welcome back to the Vito Hacker Studio. In this video, I will show you the powerful ways to optimize your seller business. Let's begin. Now, if you are a seller, will be useful. Watch till the end. First, we are going to enter the customer data. Let's start by adding the ID, the name, last name. Okay, ID, name, last name, and let's enter the email and the phone number. Now let's fill that. Alright, so we have the random customer. So ID will be one, some random. Name will be some random, for example, hacker. Okay. The last name, I don't know. It will be also hacker. Okay. The email will be some random hacker. All right. And the phone number, some random one. All right. Now we entered that. Now we got the second customer. Also ID 2. The name will be the Sam, for example. The last name will be Hacker. The email will be Sam. Okay. And the phone number, some random. Alright. Now we enter that. Now it's time to go for the orders. Now let's create a new sheet by clicking here. New sheet. Alright. With the new sheet is created, let's rename it. Right click and then rename, and we'll type the orders. And here customers. Alright. Let's go to the orders. Now we are going to type the customer ID, order ID, address, and payment method. Alright, now let's fill. For example, the hacker orders something, and for the customer ID will be type the one. The order ID will be, for example, one. The address will be, I don't know, hacker treat. And the payment method, for example, credit card. Alright. Now I can know who orders that by checking the customer ID. Here is the customer ID 1. Going to customers and find the customer with ID 1. That's the hacker. And now I know that this orders hacker customer. Next is the math formulas. Now let's here add the price pair something, uh, the how much the customer orders and the total price. For example, price per something is 100 euros, for example, and the how much customer orders is free. And now to calculate the total price, write this, and now price per something. The price per something number is in the H2. So H2, this, and the how much the customer orders is in the J2, like that, and hit the enter, and will be show the 300. Now I showed you how to calculate in the Excel. Now let's customize this a little. It's boring. Let's go to the customers, and now let's paint the sheets. This is neutral, and all this is neutral. Now it's a little better. Now we are going this to the green, this to the green, and now it's much better. Same in the orders. We can also click the format as table and choose here something blue. Okay. And as you can see, and you can customize like that the sheets. Blue and everything here will be blue. Blue. Alright, much better than this blue. Now it's looking great. So you can here write the customers and the orders. That's the short tutorial how to grow your seller business. Enjoy! See you later in the next video. Bye bye.